Hello, my name is Madison. Today in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use the website Symbolab. Symbolab should be used by parents if they're trying to help their student on homework or see where their student went wrong on problems, because everybody makes a little mistake here and there, and Symbolab shows you step by step. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your browser of your choice. I prefer Microsoft Edge, however I know other people prefer Google Chrome. So in the search or enter website bar, you're going to want to type in Symbolab. So it's Symbolb. And then mine already is pulled up because I've used Symbolab many times. So I'm going to go to just the one that doesn't take me directly to the site so you can see how that is used. So you're going to want to click on Symbolab Math Solver Step-by-Step Calculator. And once everything pops up, I'm going to use something from one of our homeworks that we recently did. So the equation was 1/2 x plus 2 equals 11. And then in this little bar, you're going to type it in, and then you're going to press the red button that says go, that is directly next to it. And then you're going to see everything that comes up. So it goes step by step how somebody can solve the problem, and then in the top part up here, it shows the answer. But if you're stuck on a certain step or you need a little bit more guidance, you can see it exactly step by step is what's happening. And then also farther up as you get into math, you can start to apply these different things up here, and then you can also click the full pad, and it shows you a lot more functions that you can use for the site. And that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you.